Hi, my name is Jawwad and I work for All About Imports. I work the front counter, but I'm also a licensed technician. Today for Tech Tip, I have this for you. We have a problem with the power outlet and we're going to show you what the most common issue with these cars. Alright, so in this case, I can already see that there's a nickel or dime that's in there, most probably a dime because it's smaller. And a lot of times it happens because people in a big hurry and they got loose change and it end up falling in there, shorting out the socket, blowing the fuse. So we're gonna remove this dime, replace the fuse, and hopefully everything will be okay. So here's a small magnet. It's very strong. It's telescopic, so you can extend it and shorten it. We're just gonna go in there and just gonna pull this dime out. You can also take a popsicle stick or straw, stick a gum at the end and go in there and grab it with that and pull it out. Okay, so the fuse box is right here. You gotta pull this cover down and it will show you the location of the fuse. In this case, it's a 15 amp and this is SIG, that's for cigarette lighter. It's the same thing as your power outlet. It's right here. So if I count from my left to right, it's the fuse number 4 and it is a 15 amp. Okay, there it is. Okay, so the manufacturer, they like to put fuse boxes at several different locations. In this particular case, I have one here and I have one inside. Now in order for you to find the fuse puller, it can be in either location. In this case, it's from here. We took the dime out first, then we replaced the blown fuse, and now let's give it a try. So put the key in the ignition, and we push this back in. If everything is okay, this light will illuminate. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something new today. And until next week, this is your Tech Tip Tuesday.